Atongoria a makanitha kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu na mbere ni mokireirie atongoria a makanitha aria maranyita mbaru ateti gweka kambeini ihinda riri bururi wihariirie gutabania githurano kinene. Akiaria kanitha-ini wa ACK Cathedral mwena wa Siakago, muthikabu wa kanitha wa Gathoni diocese ya kaunti ya Embu Paul Kariuki ni akomithetie na njira nene atongoria a makanitha aria marahuthirwo ni atongoria a kiuteti undu uria arauga ni ugucungiriria gayukano kaunti-ini iyo.
We dialogue with them and we tell them this is what we expect, and we also listen to them so that also we support them. We are not in competition, we are not fighting. We want to see them ask for vote in a peaceful way so that we can have one county and a peaceful county and a county full of love.
Oho muthikabu wa kanitha wa ACK ya mbere Moses Masamba ni ongereire kuga atongoria a makanitha ni mekuruta wira hamwe na muingi wa kaunti iyo ndukugayukanio na mithingi ya kiuteti. Athikabu acio ni mongereire kuga ni ihinda ria atongoria a makanitha gukorwo makinyitanira ihinda-ini riri niguo kuhunjia thayu na gutigirira githurano turorete gitikumagayukania. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.